New Hampshire provides judgment creditors with standard enforcement tools in a high-income state with no wage income tax, making disposable earnings higher per dollar of gross wages. Here is the complete guide. Judgment interest rate. New Hampshire judgments accrue interest at 10% per year, a high rate. Judgment duration. New Hampshire judgments are valid for 20 years, one of the longer periods in the country. Recording the judgment lien. In New Hampshire, a judgment becomes a lien on real property when it is recorded in the Registry of Deeds of the county where the property is located. Wage garnishment. New Hampshire follows the Federal Consumer Credit Protection Act formula. 25% of disposable earnings or the excess above 30 times New Hampshire's minimum wage. No state income tax means higher disposable earnings per dollar of gross wages, potentially increasing the garnishable amount. Homestead exemption. New Hampshire's homestead exemption is $120,000, a substantial protection limiting real estate enforcement to equity above this threshold. No tenancy by the entirety. New Hampshire does not recognize tenancy by the entirety as a protection against individual creditors. Jointly held real property is accessible for the debtor's interest. Bank levy. New Hampshire allows execution against personal property, including bank accounts, through a writ of execution directed to the levying officer. Debtor examination. New Hampshire allows post-judgment examination of the debtor and third parties through supplemental proceedings. New Hampshire's 20-year judgment duration combined with 10% interest makes patient enforcement particularly effective. A $25,000 judgment grows to $50,000 in roughly 7 years at 10% annual interest. People locator. Skip tracing provides New Hampshire debtor investigation, employer, banking, and real estate. Visit peoplelocatorskiptracing.com to place your order.